Long lines are reported at theaters across the country as fans line up to see Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1. Reports say as many as 30,000 movie theaters with midnight showings nationwide were sold out. Reviews for the latest Potter flick were generally favorable. The movie had a 77% fresh rating from critics on Rotten Tomatoes this morning. Still no official word on a wedding date for Prince William and Kate Middleton, but details on who'll design the royal wedding gown are starting to emerge. According to People magazine, designer Phillipa Lepley may be the chosen one to design Middleton's dress. An investigation continues into the Tuesday murder of Hollywood publicist Ronni Chasen. While People magazine quotes police as saying they have no suspects and no motive in the case, the Hollywood Reporter today cites a source as saying that the shooting was likely planned. Rapper DMX is back behind bars. According to TMZ, DMX was arrested by authorities in Phoenix, Arizona last night on a probation violation. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.